Hello, amigos.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So it's crazy. Alright, it's definitely time to explore.
One hour later.
America. Texas, América. Estados Unidos. Sí.
Good morning. Today we just woke up and we're at Playa Vieja. Plaza Vieja. I'm really confused. We're gonna grab some coffee and hopefully a bite to eat, and then Sean has the rest of the day planned out for us.
Alright guys, this is why you get Google Translate offline. You just aim it at the text. I know it looks a little crazy. Can't see it, but then it just translated. Yeah, so there's only 3 copies of this car. They're built in the United States. One came here, and yeah, you gotta come and read the rest. But it's open.
The variables, all of it's original. The president chair, alpaca, not the oldest person of this color. But you may see the original refrigerator.
Right here?
See?
Wow.
Ice cream maker.
Oh, I see.
On blue, on wood. Handy maker. Hey, cuidado en la escalera. Adelante, señores.
Bueno, sí, gracias. Let's go this way. That was tiring.
So cool.
That's cool.
We just got a private tour of the presidential train. There's only 3 of them ever made. It was made in the United States, and I felt like I was in a Hogwarts train. It was so cool.
Yeah, you'll see everything, but that was pretty cool. We just so happened to be taking pictures, and then the lady just came up. She said, in 5 minutes, got everything set up, and we were the first ones in there.
And she locked the door and didn't let anyone else in there.
Yeah, it was a private tour. I think there was supposed to be more than like 2 people during the time, but she let like some people coming in right after us, and she just like closed the
Kicked
door.
them out.
Yeah, but that was awesome. Stuff like that always happens whenever we just start to wander. But we're gonna do some more wandering right now. Try to head to the beach and get a taxi, then head to the beach. ¿Hablas inglés? Necesito ir. Voy a ir a la playa Guanabo. Guanabo. ¿Cuánto cuesta? 20.
Gracias.
This is nice, nicer than I thought.
We found the beach, and our driver's going to come back for us in 2 hours, and it was only 40 US round trip, so not too bad. We are looking for some shade though, because we're trying to hassle us into buying an umbrella, which we might end up having to do, but we're going to walk further down to see if we can find some shade. We just had lunch and we were walking around at some shops, and we found our driver, and he was like speaking in Spanish, asking what we're doing, so we're just waiting for him to pull around, and we're gonna head back into the city.
In case you are at Playa Santa Maria, we ate at Mira Azul. The restaurant's right across the beach, so the beach is right over here. We just walked just right around that corner. The waiter was nice. We had a ham and cheese sandwich. Kayleen had a grilled cheese, and then we just walked out and we're waiting for our driver in a little Russian car.
Super hot.
Make sure you wear lots of sunscreen. We're only here for an hour and a half, and we pretty much just stayed at the beach for an hour, ate for 30 minutes, and ran into our driver, so that was pretty clutch.
I remember. Gracias.
We're back. I feel like I need to explain just a little bit. So we were gonna go to Guayabo beach, but we ended up talking to our taxi driver, and he said that he recommended Santa Maria beach. So we went there, and that's the beach that we were at. Water was really pretty, sand was nice, people were Cuban. But now we're headed back to the Airbnb, and we're gonna take a quick shower and then Damn, I've never seen a moat.